Oko Amokurom apraponso tema popular apraponso tema na uwuram kofa bokruwa kofa Amokurom a ye ka ho asem ya sorry Amokurom so ho Amokurom on the other side. This is where Amokurom. Nese ushepa hawa area ho omo bra. Me say sa zone no sabronum zone. Eka ho bi and MPP. LUC seat no ewo ho. I am telling you for a fact. Because I know that area. That zone, meaning that zone. A hawk can be because they felt say, there be no development. You to go one side. A quiet cohonya papa, a quiet papa. In some and your papa. Go there. What do you call the question?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Area ho your area Sibia omo Kania that zone Kania ni ho yes o must basically suppose their mom e ho na no na make catch us me call ya from Udifree junction no so hwa e kwa akoka prapon so di wura ni adenya in fact ayi why so omo de agu e post so senka omo ba be ho adwuma no na why yes ni gu fam agia gu fam for months obi amfa ho amakwanye papa amuso say when I saw this look at this one and you must say shade we what has here enti say aban common fund ba na say omunya yi na omu we your senka by now koma yi bibia momo me see we omo ana ye ntwi I am we omo ana see and I'm teachers bungalow ni whatever.
Nana.
And there I don't want to believe it.
Teachers bungalow, they're not
Oh no. Hey.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Oh, and you will be accepted to go to this community to teach. Angie, so be accepted. Say, me co community we are kwachire mu ade a. I was see a man package. I mean, you see the fact that odi a wako sign a bond say, who ko school we na we are be adwuma ma ban because ye ma allowance. Nti no o we are also some ntuba be adwuma. It doesn't mean say baby adu be ko bia no ene fa ne sa at least e ho se ye mawo ye seda na ye hwe we ye because I can tell you for a fact within this area teachers in town oba ye na ye de kire school ni wie say ne wakoje na letter nti wo kwa community ade ni kom oba beduru ho na ye be introduce no wo kwa ba no ano no enti ha be kom no na teachers omo combine class no e no ma kira de ayamba ani me area MP entry MP no ni fu ne mame they are not happy sa zone no munya happy moya na makoye campaign say e na ha de e nse MP ni ma ha mo de campaign former MP Adabo na MP ho e na oso onko bio e na e ho na ati contest ye no de wom de campaign pa ne say on say ha de mo to abawi a omo ma ha because MP no free BM so
87.9 Kumasi
MP free BM so ne DC so free e kwan na so nti omo nsi fam ma ha they are quite campaign and convince them say montoma ye ba behwemo aha de beba ha. How many times an MP wako ho say wo kwakotie o masem? How many times? How many times and wako ho say mo ha oni mitie? Yes, mo weni abawie na mo tena mpitena kam na yun sa wiem sa no ano no hyiam. It is bad.
Akoma
FM
87.9 Kumasi.
Me say eho treatment ano ma kom. E wan MPP nsem. Former MP Adabo. E ka ho bi into that zone. Me say e ka ho bi. Achina na APC. He lost. Ono kra no. Nanka obeng that zone because ono no frashwem. Ashwem sabronum. Any other community say wo no. Cannot obey. But you see, na omo nya convince say no, ade na ya komu no. Ebesesa. So they decided to vote against the NPP. And ne assembly member busa say omo wo Ivory Coast and also omo wo Burkina. Ye be kan say ni aka no kra kire mo. Mo ma mani nda ho na mo nhwe omo asem nka ma omo. Ene ade bia ema nkema community area be ka say oye de ye ni gese yete ha no. Omo like about 80% of Saniema no. Omo kwanye nsuo samanye kania extension na ekoso ho no. The last time I checked now homa no ye de abegu so ma ye gufam enti life na wo mu no enti wo de no I mean at least I was think about could be there but down was think about could be improve. You can na mkrofo so nya because wo no free district ni munti no asem no bone ba na wo ka na papa ba wo ka said ye minya sa tan bi wo. So it's a idea a hard dream. We omo awu e frɛ kuro no nyina omo ayebi nti ye nkoka sɛ na ade na mote na aye sei omo ayebi ti so omo kasa omo di ka omo kasa bi ni hokra o de omo timu no omo ana atare omo your friends omo tete omo atete ayi netie abro asesade ahye dan no but de ba bia duri no omo ba mu yabu that area. Go there. Enti antwo si akode ma men kanya bi. E de a da wo frede no ho beba. E de no ho beba. Mon fa padi ma me na